Hi everyone! Today is our second episode of our Easy Thanksgiving Menu for Two series. And today is all about potatoes. Sweet potatoes is not a favorite of my husband's. He prefers Yukon Gold potatoes instead, while I enjoy them both. So this year, I decided to skip all the mashed potato thing and we're gonna make two different kinds of dishes with two different kinds of potatoes. I'm gonna make roasted sweet potatoes with garlic, and we're gonna make gratin potatoes with Yukon Gold potatoes in a creamy, cheesy sauce to die for. Let's get started. This sweet potato is huge. I have already cut up the ends. And normally I peel the potatoes, but today I'm gonna leave the skin on. So if you decided to do the same, make sure that you wash the potato very well. Cut the sweet potatoes in cubes. That's a lot of sweet potatoes. Next, we're gonna arrange the sweet potatoes in a single layer on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And to this we're gonna add some salt, some black pepper, chopped garlic, and I'm gonna drizzle this with olive oil. Toss this all together. We're gonna bake the sweet potatoes at 425 degrees for about 45 to 55 minutes. We're gonna flip only once or until it's fork tender. The sweet potatoes are done. I'm gonna put it in a platter. Let's make it easier. And to finish this off, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of more salt. And to make it prettier, some fresh parsley. Et voila! Roasted sweet potatoes with garlic, salt and pepper. Next, we're gonna move to the gratin potatoes. I've already peeled the Yukon Gold potatoes and I'm gonna cut them into thin slices. Heads up! Cut a slice here at the bottom of the potato for stability, so they won't run away from you and you won't hurt yourself. Let's do it. Cut the potato about this thickness is perfect. You can also use a mandolin to slice up the potatoes if you prefer. To speed up the baking process, I'm gonna pre-cook the potato slices until they're tender, for about 5 minutes or so. Otherwise, it's gonna take too long in the oven to bake, and also we can do this ahead of time. They are soft but not falling apart. Perfect. Done. I have already prepared some bechamel sauce, but if you want more details, you can check the card for the recipe. And to this bechamel sauce, I'm gonna add some shredded cheddar cheese. This sauce is gonna be amazing, very cheesy. We're gonna mix this until the cheese melts. That's it. Next, we're gonna layer some of the bechamel sauce at the bottom. I'm making 2 dishes because it's Thanksgiving for 2. So I think I can handle one of this by myself. Next, we're gonna start layering the potatoes. Another layer of sauce. And we're gonna keep repeating the layering process 2 more times. And we're gonna finish with the sauce. I'm gonna place the dishes on a baking tray. And we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil. We're gonna bake the potatoes in a preheated oven to 375 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna remove the foil. Potatoes have been baking for almost 30 minutes, so I'm gonna make a crust so we can put on top of the potato once we remove the foil. And this is pretty simple. I just have here some plain panko. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil. A little bit of parsley, chopped parsley, and some salt. This crust is very nice and very simple, but once you bite into that creamy Yukon Gold potato with that cheesy sauce and you have this crunchiness on top, oh my God, it's a completely different world. In other words, do not skip the crust. Done. Now carefully remove the foil. We don't need them anymore. Wow. Check this out. It smells so good. And now we're gonna sprinkle the panko mixture on top of the potatoes. Now we're gonna return this to the oven and we're gonna bake it without the foil for about 10 minutes until the top is light browned. And check this out, so hot, so beautiful. I can't wait to taste this. Can you see the bubbling? The sauce is still bubbling a little bit on the edges. The dish looks beautiful and I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. I can't wait to have this on my table. I can't wait to dig into these potatoes, but I'm gonna have to wait because I have more coming. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you not next week, but tomorrow, where we're gonna make our third episode, and we're gonna make a light salad with roasted butternut squash and sauteed green beans with the lemon vinaigrette. So, I see you tomorrow. Bye! I'm gonna sneak one sweet potato. I can't help it.